What's going on, Craftinistas? I'm back with the last installment of the prayer journal series. And this one, I'm taking some cardstock. This cardstock, actually, I didn't purchase this cardstock. It was given to me by my last job. Everyone knows I do crafts and don't throw away paper, just give it to me. So this is some 110-pound weight paper, and of course, that Bible journaling paper pad that I've been working with for this series. I'm going to work with that. So I'm going to, first of all, grab that paper, and then I'm going to cut it up at 6.5 by 9. Then I'm going to either fold it over or score it at 4.5. And once I get it all scored, I'll be ready to start looking at my paper here. I'm going to go ahead and get it burnished and fold it. Once I get it folded, I'm ready to get my glue, and I'm going to just back these up one by one on top of each other as long as they're the same way, with the open way facing the same way. So I'm just going to back these and glue these on top of each other just to make a book. You can use score tape or some heavy duty craft glue. Then once I get it all worked together, I just cut out some pieces. A lot of this paper has its own little bookmarks and things in it. But if I had to cut out the paper, I cut it out at 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. But the rest of those are some bookmarks and things that actually came in this paper pad, and I just used them. So all I have to do now is glue it down and throw this little journal together. This was the easiest DIY of the series. So here it is. I've got it all glued together, and I used some washi. Then I thrown in the little bookmarks here, and this was actual some paper that came in there you can write your verses and prayer on. And then there's some lines here. I thought that would be good for writing down. There's some lines there on that sheet of paper. You could write all over that. And then of course there's room there for writing. So I thought that this was a cute little idea for a little journal. And then on the front, my paper didn't quite line up, but you know what? Since everything doesn't have to be perfect, I love that I used the washi on the end, and it just gave that lip a different look. So I hope you liked this series. Thanks for watching. See you later, Craftinistas.